For the last few days, the internet has been going crazy over this abandoned baby monkey who clutches an orange plushie toy like its own mother, a stuffed orangutan he refuses to let go of. But something just changed. There is a good update confirmed from Ichikawa Zoo's official handle. Punch, the beautiful baby monkey, is now being groomed by not one, but two older monkeys. He is also making friends, playing with them, understanding social cues with other macaques, and is slowly finding his footing in the monkey enclosure. Yes, Punch is healing, slowly but surely. For those still new to this, here is a quick rundown. This baby macaque is named Punch. He was born at Ichikawa City Zoo, just outside Tokyo, on July 26th last year. His mother was a first-time mom, and she wanted nothing to do with him. So the zookeepers stepped in and took care of this abandoned baby monkey. For 6 months, Punch only knew humans. They gave him a stuffed orange orangutan to hold, something soft, something constant for comfort. The internet named this plushie toy the Oran Mama. In January, the zoo introduced him to the monkey enclosure, where around 60 macaques live in. Needless to say, things didn't go well. For other macaques, Punch didn't sound like a macaque, didn't understand social rules, and smelled like people instead of his own kind. So they rejected Punch, scolded him, pushed him. One video that went viral shows Punch being dragged by an older monkey across the ground. Every single time Punch was scolded or pushed around, he ran back to his plushie and hugged the Oran Mama. Punch has been having a tough time in the monkey enclosure, but now things are starting to look better for Punch. It's not all sunshine and roses yet, but it is certainly a heartwarming progress. The Ichikawa Zoo's social handle has been posting updates for the last few days, and the latest updates have been very heartwarming. Punch is now being groomed by not one, but two monkeys. If you don't know much about macaques, this is huge. Grooming isn't just hygiene, it's also how monkeys bond. It's how they say, "I see you. You're one of us. You matter." For weeks, Punch couldn't get anyone to do this. He'd approach, and they'd turn away or snap at him. He was an outsider who smelled wrong and acted wrong and didn't know the rules. But now, an older monkey is sitting with him, picking through his fur, doing the thing that macaques do when they accept someone into the fold. There's more. There's another monkey, another grooming session. The internet has started calling her a caretaker figure who's been looking out for Punch, letting him stay close. Someone who's decided this weird little outsider is worth protecting. That's a huge progress. Punch is also spending less and less time with his plushie toy, and more with these older monkeys who have taken him under their wing. The older monkey keeps showing up near Punch, not his mother. She's still not in the picture, but this older monkey, who seems to have decided for whatever reason that this strange little outsider is worth her attention. You'll see her sitting near Punch when the troop is resting. In the wild, this is how macaque troops work. It's not just mothers and babies, unrelated females who take an interest in a young one for reasons we don't fully understand, and take care of them. Give the baby monkey the affection it deserves. The older monkey just decides, this one's mine to watch, and this monkey has decided that about Punch. Punch also behaves differently when she's nearby. There's a looseness to him. He plays a little more freely. He ventures a little further. It's like he knows, somewhere in his monkey brain, that there's someone for him now. This is what Punch has been missing his whole life. Not just contact, not just warmth, but the feeling of being held in someone's awareness, of mattering to someone who isn't made of polyester. Oran Mama kept him alive. She gave him something to hold on to when there was nothing else. But she couldn't watch over him. She couldn't follow him through the enclosure. She couldn't sit nearby and let her presence say, "You're not alone." That's not nothing. That might be everything. And then there's the playing. Punch is actually playing with other young macaques, chasing, tumbling, doing the things baby monkeys are supposed to do with each other. A few weeks ago, every time he tried this, he'd get scolded or shoved away by a protective mother. Now, he's in the mix. He's learning the rules. He's figuring it out. That's progress. Real progress. There's even more. It's not just social progress. Punch is becoming more confident on his own too. Punch is now roaming around Monkey Mountain, not clinging to the edges. He is exploring, moving through the space like he belongs there. He even took dive into the water, only to jump back, just being a monkey with energy and curiosity, and no fear. This is a completely different animal from the one who sat alone in a corner, clutching a stuffed toy. He's growing into himself, and most of all, he is growing confident. He is playing with other monkeys, jumping on their backs, following his favorite older monkeys around, and most of all, defending his plush orange toy, his Oran mama. When other young monkeys try to go near or take the stuffed orange toy, Punch has been pushing them back and protecting his Oran mama really well. He is defending his favorite toy. That shows a lot of confidence, and Punch is developing a lot of it lately. He is coming out of his shell and being more and more his confident self. Here's the thing about progress. It's not a straight line. Punch is doing better. That's real. The grooming, the playing, the confidence, all of it is real. But the zoo has been careful in their updates. They're not saying Punch is fully integrated. They're not saying he's out of the woods. They're saying he's learning. And learning takes time. Punch still has Oran Mama. He still carries that plushie around. He still sleeps with it. And on the hard days, when the troop is too much, when something scares him, when the rejection stings, he still goes back to her. The zoo staff have said integration like this can take months, sometimes longer. He has to build trust with animals who, for a while, wanted nothing to do with him. He has to figure out a social hierarchy that has 60 members and rules no one is going to explain to him. And he has to do all of this as a baby, while his brain is still developing, while he's still figuring out who he is. Some days he makes progress. Some days he stumbles. That's the but. That's just how it works. Punch is doing better. But it will take some more time for Punch to fully integrate in the Monkey Mountain. He has already made heaps of progress. He is playing with other monkeys. He is getting more and more confident. He is roaming through the mountain. And most of all, he has found 2 older monkeys who are fond of him. In no time, Punch will find home with them. He will find more happiness. And us watching Punch across the world will be happy to see him happy. A curious question that still lingers is, why do we care so much for Punch? Why do we want to protect him so much? Is it just sympathy? Or is it our hearts going out for an abandoned baby? After all, one of our biggest fears is abandonment. And seeing an abandoned baby monkey, our hearts cry, for it materializes one of our worst fears. Hit the subscribe button for more updates. In the meantime, hang in there, Punch. We're all rooting for you.